Hey, this is that tool I was talking about that I'm using to create artwork. And it's using AI to create that artwork. And it's using a large database set of images and things that it's, like I said, put into a big bucket. And then when you tell it to do something, it refers to that bucket of images and all these different things to create that image. And to create that image, it uses tools, and this is all put together with a programming language called Python. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. Show me the first thing, and then tweak the prompt generator, which is basically just telling it what you want it to do. Like, I want to see a dog on a beach, watercolor paint, something like that. And then we won't even do that other step here. So we won't even, oh yeah, we'll create the image. So this first video is just going to be setting up this thing here. This thing we're looking at, Ipynb. This is a notebook, and basically it's an online computer, kind of like the old school command prompt, DOS back in the day. That it's actually within here now, and this tool interprets Python programming language, and these guys up here have created tools, put them all together for us, for people like me that can try to use it. And yeah, it's all in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit run. So I'm gonna hit this play button. You can click on this, it shows you what it's gonna be doing. It's gonna be, this is just the code that they did to do this. But it's going to be downloading this data set right here, this file. This big file is another data set. That's the bucket of images or whatever. It's going to download clip. This is like a tool used to put things together. And then it's going to download all these other little add-ons. These are all little like tools that do things like, oh, grab an image from a bucket. Okay. Python will take that image and make it look like a painting, okay, and Pillow is gonna distort it, okay, and Transformer is gonna blend things together. So it uses all these tools that are made with Python, and it's going to let you put in a word and it's gonna create something for you. So below that, it's actually downloaded. This is just a log. It's actually downloading these things now. If I scroll down, okay, it's actually probably done. Yeah, it says it's done at the end. You'll see these kind of moving when it's not. But now that it's done, you have to come back up here and there's usually something I have to reset. When you do it, you'll probably see some like things in here that says restart required, like a little button. You'll see it twice. So if you see that, click that button, and when you click that button, you'll see up here it'll say like restarting. I'm actually just gonna do it right now this way. Restart runtime. So you don't need to do that. You'll see the button in here. If you don't see the button, then yeah, you can just come up here, runtime, restart runtime. You'll see right here it says restarting. That's done. Go down to the next one here. You don't have to click this, but I like to do it just to see what it's actually doing. So this is the actual Python code. I have no idea what they're doing here, but all I know is it's all here ready for me to do something with it. So I'm going to hit play. It's done. It says 2 seconds done right here. That little green checkbox. So now is for the setup, and I'm going to do another video with that, showing you how to use what he has in here now, because it randomizes things, which makes it easier to create more things at once instead of just one thing, like a dog on a leash. You can actually do multiple things, like, because it's going to randomize. Oh, it's going to do an alien. Oh, it's going to do something interesting. Oh, it's going to do something unusual. Oh, it's going to be biological illustration. Oh, maybe it's going to be a watercolor. So this is cool too. So I'll explain that one in a bit.